must have come up the river during flood season and gotten stuck. Oh, don't! That's probably bad. You have to be kidding. Oh, you can't be serious. Oh, wasn't I just out here? Oh. I have to bust through that window. Hello, boys. Easy, Eddie, easy. What the hell's going on out there?
Didn't you see them?
Oh, no. Oh, God, no.
We're trapped.
Jesus, what is that?
We're dead. We're all dead.
No! Eddie, get back here! Oh, crap.
Jake, if we don't make it out of here, I just want you to know, I hate your guts.
Yeah, likewise, pal. Sorry you didn't get your story.
That's all right. There'll be other stories. You still owe me one.
I'm good for it.